Hey guys, today we're gonna learn about subtraction, and I'm here with my mom.
Hi.
So we're gonna learn about subtraction of 5-digit numbers. We've already learned what is a 5-digit number, and we've learned how to add 5-digit numbers. Today we're gonna learn in focus of how to borrow, how to not borrow, how to
No. How to do the subtraction without borrowing and with borrowing.
and also we're gonna be doing it with 5-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers.
Yes, let's start. Okay, so I will give you the first number. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. First number 6 7
6, 7.
3 4 5
And second number?
4 5 1 2 3. Okay, can
Very
you
nice
subtract
number.
this?
Why, yes, I can. See, the way you subtract, you take the 5 and you take the 3 and you put and then you just minus them. If you've learned in first grade, you know how to subtract 1-digit numbers. It's basically the same thing, only that you have to do it 5 times.
Okay.
So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay? 2.
Just put all of them right aligned. The upper numbers. It
What?
will be easy. First put those two numbers aligned right.
Oh, right, yeah. I have to do that.
The upper numbers. Okay.
4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2.
Oh my god.
And 6 minus 4 equals 2.
Wow. I never thought the answer will be 222. Okay. So
Very
now,
interesting.
okay, let's take the second number. 7 7
Okay. 7.
3 8 9 2. Okay, second number 5 1
7, 3, 8, 9, 2. Okay.
5 1
5, 1,
6 8 1.
6, 8, 1.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1. That is equal to 1. Now, 2 minus 1. 9 minus 8. That is also equal to 1. 8 minus 6. That is equal to 2. 3 minus 1. That is also equal to 2. And 7 minus 5 is also equal to 2.
Oh, okay.
What a number, Mama.
Yes. Okay. So that's good job, Adi. Let's move on to 5, subtracting 5 digits number and the 4 digit number.
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's take the first number 63564.
6, 3, 5, 6, 4.
Second number 3412.
3, 4, 1, 2.
Okay.
3, 4, 1, 2.
Yes.
Now, 4 minus 2 equals 2. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 3 minus 3 equals 0. And 6 minus nothing. What do you do for that?
Yeah,
well, you
what is
see,
that nothing means?
the way you replace the nothing with the 0.
Okay.
And then after you do that, you will have a 0 over here. And so then easily you'll be able to subtract.
I think you forgot to write there the 0. Write first.
Well, here's the 0 back.
Hmm.
And 6 minus 0 equals 6.
Okay, good job. So now we learned how to do the subtraction without borrowing, right?
Yes.
That was pretty easy.
Yep.
Now let's move on to the examples how to do the subtraction by borrowing. By the way, can you tell me when do we need to borrow?
We need to borrow whenever we have the upper digit is smaller than the lower digit.
Okay. Okay, so let's take some examples.
Shall we?
Okay. The first one. 71543. Okay, second number 53317. Okay, so let's do it.
Let's do it, shall we?
Okay, so now can we subtract 7 from 3?
No.
Okay, so now what you are going to do?
Well, first we have to take these numbers to the right and see 3 minus 7. Because we cannot do that, we'll have to borrow from our neighbor, which is actually the
next
higher
number.
the next digit.
Okay.
Which for 1 is actually the 10. So we have to. So what is the number
and for
in
10? What it will
For 10 it will be 100. For 100 it will be 1,000, and so on.
Okay. So here for 3, what is the next? What is the neighbor or the next number?
It is 4.
Okay. So
we just have to take 1 from the 4. And since it's a 10, we're putting it to a 1. It's not
it is
1.
10th position.
Yeah. So instead of adding 1, we have to add 10.
Okay. So
now it becomes 13 minus 7.
10 plus 3 becomes?
10 plus 3 equals 13. Now
Okay.
13 minus 7 is
so
equal to...
we can subtract 7 from 13?
Yes.
Good.
6.
Okay. So now what will happen to the next digit subtraction?
Now that we've taken a 1 away from the... Now that we've taken 1 away from this 4, we'll have to turn that into a 3.
It will become 3.
It shall become 3.
Okay.
I shall show you the transformation of the number right here. Over here, we'll just take that 4 and we shall turn it into a 3.
Yeah, because we borrowed already 1 from 4, so now only 3 is remaining. Yeah. So now, can we subtract 1 from 3?
No. I mean, yes.
Okay.
We can subtract a 1 from a 3 because 3 is greater than 1.
Okay.
So 3 minus
simple.
1 equals, simple math calculation, 2.
Okay. Now, next digit.
5 minus 3. Because we didn't borrow, it doesn't turn to 4.
Okay. So
5 minus 3 is the same. The upper digit is larger than the lower digit, so we don't have to borrow. It becomes 2.
Okay.
Because 5 minus 3 equals 2.
Okay.
And since 1 is not borrowed, so that means it stays as 1. But now we have a problem. 1 minus 3.
Okay. So we need to borrow again.
Yes.
Okay. So from where you will borrow?
We will take it from the upper digit. For 1,000, it's 10,000. Like how for 1 it's 10, for 1,000 it's 10,000. So what is the number in the 10,000 area? Well, it is 7. So if we take 1 from the 7 and we add it to the 1 in the hundreds column, it becomes 2. But then we have another problem. 2 is still not able to be subtracted from 2, 3.
But it is not 2. It's going to be 10. It is going to be 11.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So, that means that 11 minus 3, what is that equal to? Simple math calculation. Let me add it over here. 11 minus 3. 3 equals, simple math calculation, 8. So we'll just add an 8 over there.
Okay.
So now 7, we take 1 away and that becomes
we
6.
Borrowed from it, right?
Yep.
So now only 6 are remaining.
Yep.
Okay. So 6 minus 5. Can we do that?
Yes.
Okay.
No
so
borrowing required, and that is equivalent to 1.
Okay, good. Great. Okay, so let's take one more example.
One last example.
Okay, one more example. 7231. Okay, minus 58247. 58247. Okay.
Do some. Oh God, no. Wait, hold on. We can just turn this into a.
Yes, start.
So, what do we have to do? 1 minus 7. We cannot do that.
Okay, so what do we
So
do?
we have to borrow 3. We take that 3, take that 1 from the 3 and we put it over there. Now since this is a tens to the 1, we don't add 1, we add 10. And so that becomes 11. Now, 11 minus 7 is simple math calculation equal to 4.
Okay.
Boom. What else do we have to do? Now, 3, because we borrowed 1, so now it becomes 2. Now, 2 minus 4. Okay?
We can't do.
We cannot do it, so we have to still borrow. So, we take that 2, the next 2.
The neighbor.
The neighbor 2. Wait, hold on. Let me show you guys the transformation of the number, shall I? Now, this has become 2. So, now this has become 2. We have to borrow. So 2, we take that 1 and we turn into a 10. Actually 100 for the tens.
So but because it is too difficult, so just consider it as
a 1, a 10
number. Yeah. So it becomes 12.
12 minus 12 minus
there
4 equals simple math calculation 8. 8.
Okay. So now what the neighbor number?
Now this 2 becomes a 1. We have to change this into a 1.
Okay.
Now 1 minus 2. We still cannot do it.
Okay. So we have to again borrow from the neighbor.
More borrowing noises. So we take that 1 from the 7 and we throw it over to the 2. Since we cannot do 1,000 to 100, we cannot do that. So we'll just say a 10 to a 1. So,
easy.
Easy
just
noises.
to make it easy.
So what we do, now that this has become, because we've taken a 10, this 1 becomes an 11.
Yes.
And so this 11 minuses to a 2, which is a simple 9.
Okay.
So now, because we took the 7 The 1 from the 7
you
just
can correct
becomes
that
6.
and show how the
Okay.
number is transforming.
This
Because we
highlighted
borrowed
area
1.
becomes a 6.
Because we have already borrowed 1.
1. So
Okay.
now 6 minus 8. We cannot do that.
Again we need to borrow from
more
the
borrowing.
Yeah.
So we take this 10, we take the 6, we turn it into a 5. I'll show you guys the transformation. 5. And now because of this 5, okay, we'll talk about the 5 later. But now that we've taken this 1 from the 6, we've put it over here to the 6, and so 10 plus 6 equals 16. 16 minus 16. 16 minus
8
is equal to, my friends, 8.
Okay.
So this 8 is a good number.
Okay.
So now, this 6 has become a 5. So 5 minus 5, that is a simple calculation. All we need to do is a 0.
Okay, good job.
And that didn't even go where I wanted it.
Good job.
Boom.
Okay.
There. Beautiful.
So I think you have understood the concepts of 5 digits, subtracting 5 digits from 5 digits.
I'm pretty sure.
With borrowing and without borrowing.
And also now, from 5 digits to other 5 digits and 4 digits.
Okay. So now just take a quick example how to borrow 4 digits number from 5 digits. Do you want to do it? Okay. So you think it's easy?
No, it deserves a video for its own.
Okay, so let's give exercise for the viewers and then let them do it.
Okay, there'll be some awesome music placed for you guys to listen and be calm and do it with enthusiasm. And then we'll show the answers after. Okay. So, here it will pop up. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, it's probably come up. I hope you guys paused and did the calculation because we couldn't put our voices there. And so, bye. Say bye.
Bye.